Hey, what's up? I'm Logan, and I'm gonna show you how to measure range of motion on a goniometer today. So first we're gonna start by putting our axis, which is this middle point here on his lateral malleolus. And we're gonna make sure our patient's in a neutral position with his leg. And then we're gonna move our strong arm to find the tibial head, which should be right there below the kneecap. And we want to line the black line up with the tibial head, and then hold that in position. And then we're gonna have a normal of 90 as a presumed 0. And Gabe, go ahead and plantar flex for me. And then we're gonna line up this middle black line here with the 5th metatarsal. And then we are going to look at that number to determine our range of motion, which would be 173, which would be 83 degrees of motion. And we're also going to do his other leg so we can compare. All right, and we're going to do the same thing, put the axis on the lateral malleolus, and then line up with the tibial head, and then hold it in place. And then Gabe, go ahead and plantar flex. And that is 176, which is about 86 degrees of motion. And you can also do the opposite for dorsiflexion, which is strong arm in the same place, lined up with the tibial head. And then go ahead and dorsiflex, Gabe. We want to line up with the 5th metatarsal again, which would be 110, 20 degrees of motion. And then we'll also come back over here. We can measure dorsiflexion. All right, go ahead, Gabe. Line it up with the 5th metatarsal. And that's 115, so 25 degrees. Now, if you're having trouble with plantar flexion or dorsiflexion, there are some exercises that you can do, which can go from anywhere from just plantar flexing your foot and then holding it like that for a few seconds and then returning it to normal, doing that 4 to 5 times. Or you can do calf raises, which will just help with your range of motion and build up strength in your calves. And as for dorsiflexion, you can do squatting to better that. Thank you.